Have you ever wondered what makes a great LinkedIn profile and especially a great LinkedIn banner? Today I'm showing you how to create the perfect LinkedIn banner, one that leaves a lasting impression on recruiters, clients, or anyone who is visiting your page. Let's jump right into it. First thing, why does a LinkedIn banner even matter? You need to think of this as your digital billboard. It's the very first thing people see when they land on your profile, and it sets the tone for your personal brand. A great banner can immediately communicate professionalism, industry relevance, and even your personality. What makes perfect LinkedIn banner? First thing is it has a clear message. This could be your personal tagline, mission statement, or a short value proposition. Number two, it shares relevant visuals. Images, graphics, everything has to align with your industry, whether it's tech, finance, marketing, you name it. Number three, it has consistent colors. It sticks to one color palette that matches your profile and overall personal branding. Number four, it has a call to action. If you're a freelancer, consultant, business owner, you need to add your website or email. And number five, it has the optimal resolution, which is 100, 584 and 384 pixels for LinkedIn. Now, how do you create a LinkedIn banner without hiring a designer? Well, you can use free tools like Canva, which is very easy and beginner friendly, or Figma for more flexible and if you have more design experiences. If you're creating your LinkedIn banner on Canva, you can go straight to LinkedIn banner on the main menu and it will give you the optimized dimensions for LinkedIn. Then you just have to click on one, customize the template, and then you can start adding your tagline, website, your name and username, everything you want. Now, what are some common mistakes we usually see on LinkedIn banner and you should avoid? The first thing is sharing very low quality and pixelated images. Number two is using clouded designs with too much text. And number three is having a poor colored contrast, making the text really hard to read. If you're ignoring your brand identity, your banner will not make sense with the rest of your picture profile. Remember, for LinkedIn, clean, simple, and relevant always wins. And that's it. Now you have all the tools you need to create your own LinkedIn banner. If you have any question, please don't hesitate and leave us a comment below. See you on the next one.